Kum ka jing rakhi ka lingkho da propulse nam jo ka Indian Air Force ka Eastern Air Command Shillong ne ka singi ka Laitrik Risau kala pelong ya ka Air Festival Hajar Khatsan ka ba asngi lenter ha ELG apa Shillong kabal sedang nadu menta ka singi bat ka bankut lasai ka singi hakani ka Air Festival ki sipai jo ka Indian Air Force kila pen iya ka rukom hair da ki ling soin ling ba ka kunhun MiG-27 ML aircraft shasun beneng haki rukom bapher balatep kum ka fly pass aero modeling slithering da ka kunhun Garut bat ka jing pensong shed na ka kunhun tem jong ka Air Force ban batru na ka kunhun Air Devil hakani ski na ka liang Air Officer Commanding in Chief jong ka Eastern Air Command UC Hari Kumar ulalong kum kongsan haringkat ka jingdon lang ki he ka Eastern Air Command ki bahiyeng sem jong sipai bat kumju ru ki pai ba
Students, you can see the Mi-17 helicopter taking off from your right. Number 7 Air Force Band has performed in 19 national exhibitions organized by Central Calcutta Science and Cultural Organization for Youth. And we are recording a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our band called Just For You. KBS Sambyal, who has got 1,400 plus jumps. He is a CRW PJI. Sergeant Mohanty, 400 plus jumps, who is now with the Air Force flag. JW Anup is a PJI instructor with 600 plus jumps. Wing Commander Bandari, 500 plus jumps. JW Alok is a PJI instructor with 300 plus jumps. Squadron Leader Baliga with 1,200 plus jumps, a PGI instructor. Warrant Officer Chauhan with 800 plus jumps with Air Devil flag. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Rival land just in front of you, which requires a precise skill and maneuvering. With 900 plus jumps, MWRS Sindhu with 1,800 plus jumps. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Warrant Officer Chauhan with Air Devil flag. The one in orange canopy is Wing Commander KBS Sambyal.
बेटा यहाँ रोड पे चोट लगती है ना घास को उतरते हैं
In the sports skydiving, there are many sub-disciplines like style, relative work, canopy related work, accuracy in landing, kitesurfing, to name a few. All these activities are performed above 3,000 feet, which is generally a parachute opening height and hence is not visible to the naked eye from the ground. Only the accuracy in landing can be appreciated, as the jumper comes to land on target with pinpoint accuracy. The jumper performs predefined body maneuvers while landing and who has more than 1,400 jumps to his credit. He has got few records enshrined in Limca Book of Records. He is the first Indian to base jump from KL Tower in Malaysia and bridge in West Virginia, United States. He is the first Indian couple to do relative work skydiving. Look up. Ladies and gentlemen, look towards your left. B-17 landing. A big round of applause for the team. For Air Double as they march smartly in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our team.
We celebrate this day to remember all those who have worked so hard to bring Air Force to this stage today. Air Force is through a stage of transition where we look at what capability we have, what we want to get tomorrow to ensure they're ready to fight a befitting fight with any enemy. Gentlemen, this day is an occasion to look back at all our elders, all our pioneers who allowed this nice service to grow to this stage.